that makes me infuriated when I feel like people need to eat 6 small meals a day. And the thing about it is what you're doing every time you're eating is you're raising your insulin levels. And so for me, because I've tried every diet under the sun, when I did eat for 6 small meals, because I tried that, first of all, my meals were never small, because one of the things that you have a problem doing when you have a problem with eating and overeating is it's kind of like me skiing. I'm a great skier. I do really well skiing, but I can't stop. It's the exact same thing with eating, is that you start great, but you have a problem stopping when you're full. And so what intermittent fasting does is it's stopping how many times you're doing that. So it's like start, stop, start, stop, start, stop. And inevitably you're eating more than you need every time you're doing those 6 meals. And that's what I was doing. So I just believe that every time you're raising your insulin levels, it's not good for your body. So I'm very much anti snack away. Like, that is a disaster.
All right, well, Chantel, thank you so much for answering all these questions on intermittent fasting. And if they have more questions or want more information on intermittent fasting, where should they go?
So we have an intermittent fasting group. So check out our Waist Away intermittent fasting group. I think it's called Intermittent Fasting Community Group. You can look for that. So join our Facebook group. You can also go download the podcast. I have 2 podcasts. One's called Waist Away through intermittent fasting, and one is the Fasting Resets podcast. So both of those have great information. And then also go to the fastingresetsummit.com. And that's where we had 46 guests talk about everything you could possibly want to know. And it's all about fasting.